Emmerson Mnangagwa, Zimbabwe's president, is set to take on a significant role as the chair of the Southern African Development Community, or SADC. This has stirred quite the debate, especially given the backdrop of his controversial election victory last year, but the big question is Mnangagwa fit to lead SADC? Fast forward to today, Mnangagwa is preparing to assume the chairmanship of SADC at the upcoming summit in Harare. This summit is crucial for Mnangagwa as he seeks to legitimize his position and showcase Zimbabwe as a nation on the path to stability and economic recovery. He plans to highlight infrastructure improvements and engage with regional leaders to foster cooperation and development. But the shadow of the disputed election looms large. Opposition figures like Fadzai Maher have been vocal in their criticism. They argue that Mnangagwa's leadership contradicts SADC's very principles as outlined in Article 4, Section C, Human Rights, Democracy, and the Rule of Law. Section B emphasizes solidarity, peace, and security. Allowing Mnangagwa to lead SADC, they say, undermines these values and sets a dangerous precedent. Internationally, the concerns are echoed. The outcome of Zimbabwe's election has significant implications for the country's future, especially its relationship with the global community. Zimbabwe is already grappling with economic challenges and political isolation. A disputed election only adds to these woes and deters foreign investment. Addressing these concerns is crucial for Zimbabwe to rebuild trust and move forward on a path towards democratic governance. Despite the controversy, Mnangagwa views his SADC chairmanship as an opportunity. He aims to demonstrate Zimbabwe's commitment to regional cooperation and development, but his success will heavily depend on his ability to address the concerns surrounding his own legitimacy. Can he convince his SADC counterparts of his commitment to democratic values? Only time will tell. The stakes are high, not just for Mnangagwa, but for SADC as a whole. As the organization stands at a crossroads, the leadership decisions they make now will shape the region's future. Will they uphold their principles outlined in the SADC Treaty, or will they compromise in the face of political realities? So what do you think? Is Mnangagwa fit to lead SADC? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful discussions on political developments around the world. Thanks for watching.